My name is Aiden, and today we're going to shoot. Not today because I did a vlog and then I forgot to shoot the nerf guns that I have in my backpack. Okay, so we're starting off with this. This is the split strike. I told you in the last video. I told you that this gun shoots about 25 to 20 to 30 feet. Okay, so I really like this gun. I like the part of it when it reloads and stuff. Look at that. It has some blue here and then it shoots double. You need to you shot this one and you don't have to go and put the other one. You can just shoot when it's down there. Okay, so now what is this? Oh, it's a glue. Okay, so I'm gonna shoot this bad boy and see. Okay, so I have the gun right here. I'm gonna shoot it. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow! Look at that! Look at that! It broke the dart! Man! Look how strong this gun is! Look at that! It broke the dart! Look at that! It's supposed to be like this. But, hey, come on, get in there. Oh, it's not getting there. Okay, so it broke the dart. When I shoot it, it's like boom. It gets it broke the dart. Okay, so that doesn't matter. I have millions of darts. Let's put that right there and load that. Then I'll go with the rough cut. It says nerf right here. It says rough cut, and then it has 2 times 4. I'm gonna shoot them, 8 of them. Okay, so ready, go. Oh, that shot was so powerful. Gonna shoot the other one. 3, 2, 1. Oh, what the heck was that? I'm gonna grab the other bolt and then I'm gonna go I'm gonna hold the trigger and then and then I'm gonna look at that. I'm gonna do this. Look, I'm gonna hold the trigger and I'm gonna go that. Okay, that was wow, I like that. And the final one, it's gonna be the Modulus ECS 10. So let's do this. Come on. Saw that? That was absolutely cool. Cause look at that. You can see it. Look at that sound. When that shot, there was 2 wheels that when you push the trigger, they spin, and then when the dart goes between them, the dart flies psh, and let me go and get the bullets really quick. Okay, so guys, I finished the darts right here. Yeah, cool. And okay, so I have 2 more questions. So first, go make sure to smash that like button with your elbow. I'm gonna give you 3 seconds. If you guys do it, you guys are so awesome. Okay, so the timer starts in 3, 2, 1, and 3, 2, 1, boom! If you guys smacked it, you guys are so awesome. You guys mean the world to me. Okay, so, and go subscribe right now because I need to hit 1 million subscribers before my birthday. Okay, so my birthday is on 5th November, so I need to get them. Okay, guys? So, you know what to do. Stay awesome!